To use a Visa gift card on Shein, start by logging into your Shein account or creating a new one if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, browse the website and add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon and then click on the checkout button. On the checkout page, you will see a section that says Payment Methods. Click on the Add New Payment Method button and select credit or debit card as your payment option. You will then be prompted to enter your Visa gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information correctly, as incorrect information may cause your payment to be declined. After entering your Visa gift card information, click on the Add button to add the card to your Shein account. You will then be taken back to the checkout page, where you can select your Visa gift card as your payment method. If your Visa gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your order, you can proceed with the checkout process. If your Visa gift card balance is not sufficient to cover the cost of your order, you will need to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. You can do this by clicking on the Add New Payment Method button and selecting another payment option, such as a credit or debit card. Once you have completed the checkout process, you will receive an order confirmation email from Shein. This email will confirm that your order has been placed and will provide you with details about your order, including the order total and estimated delivery time. It is also important to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on their use, such as being restricted to use only in certain countries or having a minimum or maximum purchase amount. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of your Visa gift card before using it on Shein to ensure that you can use it to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily use a Visa gift card to make a purchase on Shein. Remember to always keep track of your Visa gift card balance and to use it before it expires to avoid any issues with your purchase.